afternoon, students. In this session, today we are going to see about History, Unit 2, Great Thinker and New Faiths. Intellectual Awakening. Intellectual awakening is nothing but starting to understand about how it involves person ability to think, to understand ideas and information. The 6th century BCE is regarded as an important period in the history of ancient India. Historian Will Durant has rightly called it the shower of stars. 6th century is important period of intellectual and spiritual development. Now let's see the sources of Jainism and Buddhism. Literary sources: Angas, Jain text; Tripitakas and Jatakas, Buddhist text. Angas are the religious text followed by the Jains. The books say about the loss of life by covered the followers. It is one of the category of Jain scripts, followed by the Sidambaras. Tripitakas is name given to Buddhist Sanskrit scripture. Causes for the rise of intellectual awakening and the birth of Buddhism and Jainism. There were several reasons for the rise of new intellectual awakening. The complex rituals and the sacrifice advocate in the later Vedic period. There were several reasons for Jainism and Buddhism. Religious life in ancient India was originally very simple, but in the later Vedic period, complex ritual and sediment began to dominate the practice of worship. It was not acceptable the common people. Upanishad has started alternative to sacrificial rites were too philosophical, which a lay person could not understand. To sit down or near one. Slavery, caste system, gender discrimination also contribute to the new awakening. Let's see the origin of Jainism. Jainism is one of the world's oldest living religions. Jainism grounds itself in 24 Tirthankaras. The first Tirthankaras was Rishabha, and the last one was Mahavira. Jainism is the very oldest religion there being in India. There are about 4 to 5 million followers in Jainism, and most of them living in India. A Tirthankara is the one who revealed religious truth at different times. Original name Vardhamana. Place of birth Kundagrama near Vaishali, Bihar. Parent Siddharth Tirishala. Place of death Pavaburi, Bihar. Next one, Mahavira, the great hero. Vardhamana meaning prosperous was the Kasturiya in Prince. However, at the age of 30, he renounced his princely status to adopt an ascetic life. He undertook intense meditation. After 12 and a half years of rigorous penance, Vardhamana attained luminous or supreme knowledge known as Kevala. Thereafter, he became Jain, meaning one who conquered only pleasure and attachment. His followers are called Jains. Therefore, he is believed to be the real founder of Jainism. Next heading is unique teaching of Jainism. Jainism denied God as the greater creator as universe. Basic philosophy of Jainism is ahimsa or non-violence. Ultimate aim of Jainism is attaining moksha or ending the cycle of birth, death, rebirth. Jains reject the belief in last judgment where God, a supreme being, decide who goes to heaven or hell. Jainism advocates that the goodness or quality of one's life is determined by one's karma. Do you know, children, what is karma? They believe that the person action in this line determine the quality of his or her later part of the current life and the next incarnation. Next heading is three ratnas or three jewels. Right faith, right knowledge, right action. And then moksha, liberation from the cycle of birth and death. Jain code of conduct. Ahimsa, not to injure any living being. Satya, to speak truth. Astya, not to steal. Aprihara, not to own property. Brahmacharya, celibacy. Next one is Digambaras and Svatambaras. Digambaras or orthodox box conservation followers. Monks of the Digambaras asset do not wear any clothing and living naked. They are forbidden to have any kind of position. Digambaras believe that woman cannot achieve nirvana or liberation directly. Reason for the spread of Jainism. The following are the main reason for the wide acceptance of Jainism in India. Use of people's language, intellectual teaching, support from rulers and traders, preservation of Jain monks. The next one is influence of Jainism. Samanam in Tamil Nadu. In ancient Tamil literature, Jainism is referred to as Samanam. There is a Samanar Hill or Samanar Malai in Kilakuliyadi village, in 15 kilometers away from Madurai. The image of Tirthankarar created by Jain monks are found in the hill. It is a very product movement of Monuments of Archaeological Survey of India. In Aryapati, a small village 25 kilometers from Madurai. On one side of Kalinjamalai hill, there are Jain cave called Pandavar Padukkai. Pandavar Padukkai is the bed of Jain saints. There is a reference to Aravarpalli, place of living for Jain monks in Manimegalai. According to Silapadiharam, when Kovalan and Kannagi were on their way to Madurai, Puhar, Urayur, Madurai, Vanji, Karur, Kanji all had Jain monster. Jain Kanji, Tirupati Kundram, a village in Kanjipuram, has two ancient Jain temples. This village was once called Jain Kanji. Buddhism, Gautama Buddha. Gautama Buddha was the founder of Buddhism. His real name was Siddhartha. Like Mahavira he was also a Kasturiya prince belonged to the ruling Sai clan. When Siddhartha was only 7 days old, his mother died. So he was raised by his stepmother Gautami. Next one, 4 great sites. At the age of 29 years, Siddhartha saw 4 sorrowful sights. They were an uncreated old man in reins with his bent back, and sick man suffering from an incurable disease. A man's crops being carried to the burial ground by weeping relatives, and assenting. Enlightenment. Buddha, the awaked enlightened ones, realized that the human life was full of mystery and unhappiness. So, at the age of 29, he left his place and became a 29 he left his palace and became a hermit. He sacrificed 6 years of his life towards penance. Nathless decided that self mortification was not a path to salvation. Buddha sat under a tree and undertook a deep meditation near Gaya. On the 49th day, he finally attained enlightenment. From the moment onwards, he was called Buddha or the enlightened ones. He was also known as Sakyamuni or Sagya of Sagya clan. Buddha delivered his first sermon at Deer Park in Sarnath, near Banaras. This was called Dharmachakra Pravartana, or the turning of the wheel. Buddha's four noble truths. Life is full of sorrow and mystery. Desire is the cause of mystery. Sorrows and sufferings can be removed by giving up one's desire. Desire can be overcome by following the right path. Eightfold path: right view, right thought, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effect, right knowledge, right meditation. Teachings of Buddha. Buddha's teachings are referred to as Dhamma. Buddhism accepted the theory of karma, meaning that the equality of man's life depends on his deed. Buddha neither accepted nor denied the excess of God, but believed in the laws of universe. Buddha asserts that attaining nirvana is the ultimate aim of life. Buddha advocated ahimsa or non-violence. Buddha had rejected the caste system. The wheel of life represent the Buddhist view of the world. Next one, Buddhist Sangha. Buddha laid foundation for the missionary organization called Sangha, meaning associate for the propagation of his faith. The members were called monks. They led of life. Buddhism. Simplicity of the teaching of Buddha is local language applied to people. Buddhism rejected elaborate religious customs. Buddha's emphasis was an observance of Dhamma. Buddhist Sanghas played an important role in spreading the message of Buddha. Royal patronage under Ashoka. Kanishka and Harsha also helped the cause of Buddhism. Viharas or the Buddhist monasteries became great centers of education. One such center was Nalanda. Influence of Buddhism in Tamil Nadu. Buddhism spread to Tamil Nadu much later than Jainism. Manimehalai, one of the epic of the post-Sangam age, is a Buddhist literature. There is an elaborate description about Kanjipuram in classical epic Manimekalai. Kanjipuram was a famous Buddhist center from where lineage the famous Buddhist Loglishan and Dharmabala, a great scholar of Nalanda University, held. Hinsang, who visited Kanchipuram in the 7th century AD CE, noticed the presence of 100 feet spa built by Ashoka. Let's read recap of the lesson. The 6th century BCE was an important period of the intellectual and spiritual development in India. Jainism was developed by 24 Tirthankaras. Mahavira, their threefold path, right faith, right knowledge, right action. Gautama Buddha was the founder of Buddhism. Buddha's teachings are referred to as Dhamma. Buddhism crossed the India's subcontinent, but Jainism was confined to India. Basic philosophy of Jainism and Buddhism is ahimsa or non-violence. Students, thanks to all.